we've just gotten the new XLV Plus, which is for treatment of vascular concerns, so rosacea, blood vessels, broken blood vessels, leg veins. So we've had quite a few new handpieces with this new machine, so it's really exciting. There's quite a few new game changers with this, so very excited.
C3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see.
Like
I haven't touched it yet.
Yeah.
Finalized.
But it's imminent.
Yeah.
Damn, I took my hair again.
So that's 500.
So that was fun. That was fun.
Oh yeah, it's grand, isn't it?
Yeah, so if it's
Nice,
not
just
too red,
warm.
you
Yeah.
can always, because they recommend it between 5 and 700, but I think that's okay.
Yeah.
Stick it.
How are you feeling, Alex?
No, the feeling's fine. Just feels like you've got a bit of a heater at certain sections as I guess the laser's working, and then occasionally, depending on if it's feeling a hair follicle, a little flick of a rubber band sensation, only lasts a split second, so but no major discomfort.